Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome back to this series of How to Grow Chilies at Home, episode 4. Today is the 22nd of January and it's my dad's birthday. Congratulations Dad, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Akib. Exactly 20 days ago, we've started these chilies indoors on the 2nd of January. And mashallah, they're doing really well. I'm very pleased with them. They're doing fantastically well. Just in case you missed the first, second and the third episode, we have shown you the fastest way to sprout your chili seed. We have shown you how to care for your seedlings at an early stage when they sprout. We have shown you when and how to transplant and separate your chili seedlings. So I strongly advise you to watch those videos if you're growing chilies this year. We will leave the links in the description down below.
Growing chilies indoors can feel like an uphill struggle. A barrage of pests and disease seem intent on killing your loving plants. In this episode, we'll be showing you how to make an organic solution using Neem for fast plant growth and for pest and disease control. Without a further ado, Dad, let's start gardening.
Let's start gardening.
If you're looking for a safe and effective product for your plants, look no further. Neem has been used in organic farming for thousands of years in South Asia. It's good for plant growth and it keeps pests and disease away. So Dad, let me show everybody how to make the fertilizer and pesticide, and you can show everybody how to use it.
That sounds like a plan. Let's do that.
Yes, let's do it. Grind your dried neem leaves so it turns into a powder. I'm going to be using a blender. Make sure you grind it properly so it turns into powdery dust, so it's easier for it to break down in the soil. This is going to work as a slow release fertilizer. Let's show you how to make the neem oil solution. To make a neem oil, pesticide and fungicide solution, you would need neem oil, dish soap and a water sprayer. In every 1 litre of water, add 1 teaspoon of neem oil and 1 teaspoon of dish soap into the water. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Give it a good shake.
This is an agar chili plant that we kept from last season. We are overwintering. Mashallah, I can see starting to produce new leaves. Now it would be a great time to add some slow release organic fertilizer such as neem powder. In a pot this size, I would add about 1 tablespoon of neem powder and mix it with the soil. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons, that will make 1 tablespoon, but a heaped one. It's not going to harm your plant, so don't worry about adding a little bit extra. So that's 1. Now mix it in properly without disturbing the roots. So the nutrients are not going to be available to the plant straight away. The neem powder needs to break down over time, roughly about 4 weeks before it breaks down, before the nutrient gets available to the plant. So add neem powder every 4 weeks to your soil. You could add neem powder to your potting mix when you're transplanting your chili plant, and that would act as a slow release fertilizer. neem oil solution should be sprayed on your plant every 2 weeks to keep the pest and disease away from your plant as a prevention measure. It's not a cure, it's a prevention. So every 2 weeks you spray neem oil to your plant. Now, on the last video, we transplanted these chili seedlings and it only had seed leaves. And we predicted in a week's time we will get the true leaves, which is the second set of leaves, which is this 2 leaves here. Now, it is time for us to add a little bit of fertilizer to it. And we're going to be adding some neem powder on the base, mixing it with the soil here. In a cup this size, I'll be adding half a teaspoon. So about half a teaspoon in a cup this size. Mix it in without disturbing the root and then give it a nice drink, water it. And every 2 weeks I'm going to be spraying neem oil solution on the plants, so that will keep the pest and disease away as a prevention measure. You can spray neem oil solution to all your indoor plants and your outdoor plants. Last year we showed you how to make fermented plant juice from nettles. Just in case you missed that, it's a fantastic video if you want to make your own organic liquid fertilizer. So fermented plant juice, we made it from nettles. We will leave the link in the description down below, or you can click the eye up here. Yeah. About 2 weeks ago, we made a video on unusual nature, and we showed you how we rescued this seedling from inside the khodu. It actually gave the seeds prematurely sprouted inside the khodu, and it had a small seedling this size, and we rescued it and we put it into this container here, and mashallah, it's doing really well now. It's growing into a big plant now.
It looks very healthy, Dad.
It's looking nice and healthy, yes. Now on the next video we will show you how you can turn your kitchen scrub into compost just in 5 weeks, so that you have plenty of good, nutritious compost made in your own kitchen, ready for summer vegetables. So tune in for next week. We will show you how to turn your kitchen scrub into compost just in 5 weeks. And that will be done inside your kitchen, and you're not going to get any bad smell or anything. So look out for that video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, like our videos, and don't forget to share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. And don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know how you are finding our videos. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.